About this item perfect drill bit set, our diamond hole saw kit come with 15 different sizes,
6/8/10/12/14/16/20/25/26/28/30/40/50
0.24/0.45/0.55/0.69/0.87/0.98/1/1.1/1.2/1.6/2.0 inch. Our drill bit set can meet your various demands. Premium quality. There are diamonds on the tip of the glass hole saw, ensuring smooth punching and making the drilling process easier. Precise cutting and no rough edges. Multifunctional. Our hole saw kit can play as a glass hole saw, tile hole saw, ceramic tile drill bit set, glass cutter, etc. Compatible with most electric drills. Perfect design. The side slots on the glass cutter's body can help the entry of cooling water and the ejecting of debris from the borehole. When debris gets stuck in the diamond hole saw, you can use the mini screwdriver to pull it out. Widely used, are diamond drill bits suitable for ceramic, glass, tile, porcelain, marble, slate, granite stone, etc. in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item perfect drill bit set, our diamond hole saw kit come with 15 different sizes, 6/8/10/12/